Hello bachcho, let us read the question. A body is initially at rest on a smooth surface. A force F whose time variation is as shown in figure acts on it for a duration of 4 seconds. The momentum of the ball at the end of 4 seconds in Newton second is option A 10 Newton second, option B 20 Newton second, option 3 30 Newton second, ऑप्शन डी 40 न्यूटन सेकेंड। तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है इम्पल्स और इम्पल्सिव फोर्स। तो ये इम्पल्सिव फोर्स क्या होता है? व्हेन अ फोर्स, अ लार्ज फोर्स एक्ट्स फॉर अ वेरी शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम, तो इट प्रोड्यूसेस अ चेंज इन द मोमेंटम ऑफ द बॉडी। तो इस चेंज इन मोमेंटम को हम इम्पल्सिव फोर्स या इम्पल्स बोलते हैं। सो इम्पल्स क्यों, जो जनरली it is denoted as J is equal to force into time duration for which the force acts, time duration. So impulse को generally J letter से denote करते हैं. So that is given as F into delta t, where delta t is the short time for which the force is acting, and this is equal to delta p, which is the change in momentum. So delta p is given by the final momentum minus the initial momentum. So impulse can be written as F delta t, which is also equal to final momentum minus initial momentum. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम इस ग्राफ में जो डेटा दिया है उसको एनालाइज करके वी विल अराइव एट द करेक्ट सॉल्यूशन. So from this graph given, duration for which force acts, so that delta t is 4 seconds. और इस ग्राफ से हम देख सकते हैं कि मैक्सिमम फोर्स which is acting F is equal to, ग्राफ से हम ये देख सकते हैं कि it is 20 न्यूटन. तो यहाँ पे the impulse is given to be area under the ft curve. तो अगर हम इस ट्रायंगल जो है यहाँ पे, we take this triangle as A, B and C, so J is actually area of triangle ABC. So that is essentially given as half into base into height. तो हम यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि the base is essentially the time which is from 0 to 4 seconds. So that is, which is the time, and the height, which is the maximum force, is essentially given as 20 newtons. So this is half into 4 into 20, 10. Therefore Pf minus Pi is equal to 40 न्यूटन सेकेंड. पर क्योंकि ये रेस्ट से शुरू हो रहा है, सिंस the object starts from rest the initial momentum is 0, so therefore the impulse which is equal to only the final momentum is given to be 40 न्यूटन सेकेंड. तो अभी हम क्वेश्चन पे जाके करेक्ट ऑप्शन मार्क करेंगे. The momentum of the ball at the end of 4 seconds, which is in Newton second, is the correct answer to this question is option D, 40 Newton second. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.